Building a raised bed garden doesn't always have to cost money. In fact, some of the most beautiful and useful garden beds can be made with materials that you might already have lying around in a corner of your home or backyard. Today, instead of buying new lumber or bricks, we are going to build a raised bed using only old recycled things. This will save money, reduce waste, and still give us a strong and fertile bed for growing vegetables or flowers. The place to start is always the spot where you want your bed. Imagine your garden, choose an area, and mark it. For this project, we are making a circular bed. A circle is not only attractive, but it also makes watering and planting easier, because you can reach from all sides without trouble. Once the circle is ready, the fun part begins. Last year, we used bamboo branches as trellises for climbing plants. Those same bamboo sticks are now going to get a new life. One by one, they are pushed into the soil along the marked circle. No fancy tools are needed, just a heavy stone to help drive them in. Slowly, the shape of the bed begins to appear. These simple bamboo sticks, which might have been thrown away, are now forming the wall of our raised bed. And to make sure they stay firm, a rope is tied all around them. With every knot, the structure becomes stronger and more secure. Of course, a frame alone cannot hold soil. We need something inside to keep the soil from spilling out. That's where cardboard comes in. Old boxes that might have ended up in the trash are now turned into a protective wall. The pieces of cardboard are placed around the inside of the bamboo ring, edges overlapping so there are no gaps. This simple layer holds the soil neatly and, over time, will break down and enrich the bed. What looked like waste is suddenly becoming useful again. Now comes the heart of the bed, the soil layers. The very first layer is garden loam. Loamy soil is known to be the best for plants because it has a perfect mix of sand, silt, and clay. It is not too heavy, not too light. It holds water without drowning the roots and keeps nutrients available for plants. By putting it at the base, we are giving the plants a strong foundation to grow. But soil alone is not enough. Plants love organic matter, so the next layer is dried grass. Grass clippings are often thrown away, but here they become a gift to the soil. As the grass decomposes, it adds nitrogen, which makes plants lush and green. It also keeps the bed soft and breathable, encouraging worms to come and make tunnels that improve aeration. The grass works like hidden food for the soil, feeding it slowly and naturally. On top of that, grass goes another layer of soil. This layer seals the organic matter inside, creating a sandwich of fertility. The grass starts to break down under the soil, releasing nutrients slowly, while the roots above find a good home in the loamy mix. It is a simple method, yet it mirrors how forests build soil naturally over time. The final touch is the most important, the top layer of fully decomposed manure. This is not fresh waste, but well-rotted, rich, organic matter. Manure is like a complete meal for plants. It contains nitrogen for leaves, phosphorus for roots and flowers, and potassium to make plants strong against diseases. Because it is already broken down, there is no danger of burning plants. Instead, it acts as a slow-release fertilizer that keeps feeding the crops for months. It also improves soil structure, making it light, crumbly, and full of life. At this stage, the raised bed looks complete, but there is one last job to do: watering. A generous amount of water is poured over the bed. The water helps the soil settle, removes any air pockets, and starts the process of life inside the bed. Microbes, which were sleeping in the soil and manure, wake up when they get moisture. They multiply quickly and begin their invisible work, breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients. Without microbes, soil is just dirt. With them, it becomes alive and fertile. Standing back, you can now see a strong, circular raised bed